Hello, this is Nestor. We're gonna talk about sous vide. It's a way to cook your food from inside out. And the reason why I'm trying this new way of cooking is because I like to eat meats that are not undercooked, especially during the holidays. Let's see what it's in the box, and then we'll actually cook something. Connect this here and then you shoot flames from it. This will maintain or help maintain the temperature. Sous vide tub. This will actually insulate that water. Put water in it. You will actually see there's a marking here, minimum maximum amount of water. Because I'd like for it to start warming up. See, the water is actually circulating, and let's put this cover on. Keep that heat inside there. In the meantime, I had already marinated this chicken in these freezer bags, so I'm gonna transfer them over vacuum seal bags. Here's the vacuum sealer. I'm basically gonna flatten out the chicken. Inside, right smack in the middle. I think we're good with the chicken. Open the bag, pour the chicken on top of this. We're gonna turn on our torch. We're gonna turn on the gas. I'm just gonna torch the chicken. Just wanted to show you a real close-up of how the chicken looks. There's the plate when you dress it up with salad. This is Christopher, he's my son. Cutting in the middle, smells like it's cooked. Good, right?
Yeah, it's delicious.
That is amazing. And the flavor.
How long do you keep this marinated?
I marinated it overnight. It doesn't have to be marinated overnight. So really, you don't have to marinate it that long. It's the vacuum sealing that sucks those juices, the marinade inside the chicken, and it's actually soft. Usually when we cook this chicken, we're using a fryer, and it gets dry on the inside, and you lose the flavor because you're frying it. You want to make sure the middle is cooked. That was a good initial sous vide with the blowtorch. Obviously, you want to be careful of the fire alarm because our fire alarms were going off. So I think next time when we do the blowtorch, we're going to do it outside. And it wasn't that it was smoky. It was the fact that that butane is throwing out a gas, and that carbon monoxide detector is probably picking up that carbon monoxide because all the gas, we don't smell it, but all the gases are going up to the ceiling, and it's going right to that carbon monoxide alarm. And it was alarming. Our ring alarm was alarming. It was going crazy. Hopefully you got something out of this video. Hopefully you learned something. I would appreciate your comments. I want to know, what did you think? Is this something that you're willing to try? Next time, we're gonna try some steak. This was the real main reason why we tried this, was because we wanted to cook some steaks. But anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Obviously, if you want to subscribe and comment, So we look forward to your next video. Look forward to seeing you on our next video. Until then, take care. God bless. And we'll see you soon.